Hey folks, Poverty Point Customs here. What we're going to do is install a new step on my John Deere 1025r. So this is a new step I purchased off Amazon.ca. You're going to need a 24mm socket. You're going to need some Loctite, an impact gun, and or a wrench. So on the left side of the tractor, what I'm going to do is actually remove the two bottom bolts. This is your mount for your front end loader, so we're going to remove these two bolts. Again, they're on really tight. They're on roughly 250 foot-pounds. And you're going to leave the top one in for now. So this is a new step. It's going to mount just like that. This is where you're going to put your foot on. So what you're going to do is install the bottom bolt here first, and then once this is installed and snug but not tightened all the way, we're going to remove the top bolt. So before I install the bolts, I'm going to clean off the threads, and we're actually going to use some Loctite too to secure it so it doesn't backen out. So what we're going to do next is remove the top bolt, and then once that's removed, we'll slide this up and we're going to reinstall the middle and the top bolt. Again, make sure the threads are clear and use Loctite. And there you go, it's all installed. Again, I believe this is around between 225 250 foot-pounds, so you need to make sure this is on tight, as this is holding the weight of your loader arm and your mount. And again, you need a 24mm socket, some Loctite, and a wrench to get it undone. Again, it is on tight. And there you go. This literally takes 1 minute to install. This is going to be great in the summertime when I start mowing and have the mower deck installed. That way it makes it easier to step over the mower deck onto here, onto your footwells. That way you're not stepping on the deck itself. Anyways, hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to hit that thumbs up. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, make sure you post them below. Really appreciate you watching. Take care.